Hey, hello foodies. I am Poonam Bacha and I welcome you all to my cooking channel Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen. I have been vlogging since last 6 years and this month as I celebrate my 6th vlog anniversary, I thought of taking a step ahead with the launch of this YouTube channel. I hope to get the same support and love from all of you as I had got when I started my vlogging journey 6 years back. To celebrate the occasion, here's a healthy and delicious bake from my kitchen. An eggless chocolate cake using semolina or suji with no added sugar, butter or refined flour. What's more, you do not require any microwave or oven to bake this cake as I have made it using a kadhai or a wok. So let's get started.
To begin with, we will take 1 cup of suji in a mixie jar and grind it to get a fine powder. To this, we will add 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour and around 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Pulse this again. Our dry ingredients are ready. Next, take 3/4 cup of thick curd or yogurt in a mixing bowl and add jaggery powder to it. Whisk well until the jaggery powder dissolves in the curd and you get a lump-free mixture. Next, add 1/4 cup of refined oil and whisk well. Here you can use any neutral cooking oil. I have used sunflower oil. To this, we will add our dry ingredients in batches. Keep mixing until the dry and the wet ingredients blend well and you get a lump-free batter. Allow this batter to rest for around 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we will preheat our kadai or wok. Add around 2 cups of salt to the base of a kadai and keep a stand on it. Cover the wok with a dome-shaped vessel or a lid. Heat it on a medium flame for 15 minutes. Next, we will prepare our cake tin. I have taken a 6-inch round cake tin and lined it with a parchment paper. Add few drops of oil to it and grease the pan well. Now we will check our batter, which was resting for around 15 minutes. You can see that suji has absorbed all the moisture. Now we will add milk to it in batches and whisk well. We are looking for a free-flowing lump-free batter. So add the milk accordingly. I added around half cup of milk. Now add baking powder, baking soda, salt and vanilla essence to the batter. Mix it using a spatula to blend all the ingredients, but do not overmix the batter. Always blend the cake batter using cut and fold method after addition of the leavening agents. Now pour the batter into the prepared cake tin. Lastly, top the cake batter with chopped nuts. I have used slivered almonds and pistachios. Lastly, tap the pan on the counter 2 to 3 times to get rid the air bubbles. Now carefully open the lid of the preheated wok and place the pan on the stand. Immediately cover it with the lid. Bake the cake on low to medium flame for around 35 to 40 minutes. Open the lid after 35 minutes. Insert a toothpick in the center of the cake to check the doneness. Your cake is perfectly baked if it comes out clean. Allow the cake to cool on a wire rack. Run a knife through the edges of the cake pan to loosen the cake. Now place a plate in an upside down manner over the pan and invert the cake. Now tap the cake tin and lift it gently. You can see how beautifully our cake has come out. Remove the parchment paper and gently flip the cake over a plate. Doesn't the cake look beautiful? Our healthy and delicious suji chocolate cake is ready to serve. Once the cake has cooled down completely, cut it into desired shape. You can see how soft, moist and spongy our cake has turned out. You can drizzle some chocolate sauce or serve the cake with ice cream of your choice.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never tried making a cake in a kadhai, do give this recipe a try and share your feedback with us in the comment section. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. See you soon with yet another healthy and delicious creation from my kitchen. Until then, stay safe and eat right. And keep watching Poonam's Annapurna Kitchen.